Jamming on the beat.
Sucks me out and then make lights down.
Hi, you guys. Hey, today I'm here with something a little different. I'm going to do one haul of just stuff I got for the craft show, Christmas show that I do every year. They call it Secret Santa. The kids come in and they buy stuff for their parents and siblings and stuff. You know how they do at school. And then, these glasses drive me nuts. Still haven't found the other ones. I never thought about it, but at the time I probably should have just asked Dan Dan. Hey, Dan Dan, have you seen Grandma's glasses? What I do with them? Because I know I put them up for him. And yes, I'm looking awful pale today. I don't know why. But anyway, this is all stuff I bought for that. Now, I also have the wagon. And I will leave that video of that because I did save it. And the table that I had bought. So I do have those too. So I'm going to add those to it also. But on that wagon, I didn't even know this till I watched somebody else's video with it, you know, explaining how it worked. And because I was like, this thing is so easy. And it really is. And I thought the only thing it needs is the handle to bend, you know, so you can pull it. Well, it does, and I just didn't realize it. So we're good there. So anyway, this is all the stuff I bought. And usually, you know, sometimes you get little kids that, you know, they don't really have much money or they want to get something from mom or something. Well, I did find these. And I didn't know if you knew this, but Temu has, oh no, this isn't it. But Temu has a section that is, Temu, just put in wholesale. And they have a section that's all wholesale. And I'll do these ones first because this is what I was talking about. Well, I got these for $10 and there's 32 in here. And what these are, and I know you've seen them, you know, people put candles in them. But I thought even if I don't have time to actually make candles for these kids to use, I can always glue some felt in there and then mom can use it for a trinket box. You know, and then you can sell it for $1. You're making money and the kid's not spending crap on his mom's stuff, you know. Because, let's be honest, we've all been that mom that says, oh my God. And they have all different things on here. They're all different. I mean, they may not all be different. They may be duplicates in here. But, you know, there's several different varieties. So that's what I thought I'd do more than likely because it'd be something cheap. They can get mom, but won't necessarily look cheap, you know, because if you do it right. So that's what I thought I would do. Just get some felt or craft material and stick on the inside. You know, or even that, you can always add $1 to the ring or something that you're going to sell anyway. Add $1 to the price and put it in that. And now, you know, so that's what I thought. And then, you know, because I do a lot of baking for this. Because I'll tell you what, those kids, I think last year, I can't remember how many, I think I made maybe 5 or 6 dozen cupcakes. And I sold every one of them. I'm wondering, is this lotion or what? Because even I think I look pale. That's weird. Do I look better when I get, no, I don't look much better. I didn't put any makeup on because I've been worried about my grandson. He got the job. He's up here. He's up in my hometown, Marion. He's 3 hours away. He got the job. So his wife and kids are coming next month. So they'll be here at Christmas time. And I think she's wanting to have her last Thanksgiving with her family. So I think she's wanting to wait till after Thanksgiving. But I got this. And what these are is they're cooling racks. And they're stackable. And they will stack on top of each other. So that you can stack them up in your cookies. Let me show you. And there's 3 in here. Each set has 3. And I've got 2 sets. But you can stack them up so your cookies can cool. And you don't use all your counter space. And I've been needing them for a couple years. And I just haven't done it. And you get 3 of them for this. And they were, let's see how much they were. I can't remember. I might even already told you. These were $11.89, and I think I got some money back on that too. And don't forget, you can go in there for 30 days, and if the price changes by the same seller, you'll get that difference back. And I think I just looked yesterday, I think I got another 20 bucks in there again. Okay, and then I've been doing this for a while. As I go, if I get, some of these I got a price on and some of them I don't. Because a lot of them, of these pans, and I've got, I got a bunch of them in here. So let me do the stuff on top first. This is really screwed up in it. This was $10.49, and I don't remember how many there are, but there's like probably 20, 25 in there. And I thought these would be cute to paint and make like a kitchen decoration out of them. So, you know, I thought maybe you could just put, you know, ho 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 or Merry Christmas or whatever and make it look like a little cutting board, or you can even use polymer clay and make cookies on it. You know, all kinds of things you can do with it. It's just a matter of getting creative. So I thought, well, that'll be good for that. And what did I pay for that? Oh, I paid $10.49 for these. But it's all right. And this, I paid a penny for. And there's like 3 or 4 rags. And I thought, you know what? I can take those and put them right in my bag to go to the craft show with me. And I'll have it if I need it. Because, you know, you're usually running around looking for something. And these, I got these. They were 3 something. And these are just ornaments. But I probably won't use them as ornaments. But they do come with their own jute. So if you want to use them as ornaments, they're complete. But I thought they were kind of cute. And I don't think they're all, no, they're not all alike. They're not all alike, but I think these 2 are stuck together, so they might come in 2 of each one. But here's this one. You know, there's several of each one, actually. Yeah, this one's different. See, I don't know if you can see the difference. But the ones towards the front are more vibrant, too. You got this guy. And this guy. But I'm thinking, you know, they'd make great magnets. They would make, you know, great little things inside wreaths. All kinds of things like that. And, you know, touch of glue and you're done. So, yeah, I thought, well, there we go. There's one. You know, I can sell them for $1. Whatever. Or you can make them ornaments. You know, paint the back side and put Mom 2024. Mom Christmas. For Mom Christmas 2024. You know. Because I always like to have the year so I know what year it was. I still have the mittens that my son made in kindergarten out of construction paper and string. And I put it on my tree every year. Yeah, then I got these. These were $2.14. Now, you do have a hard time with them, these kids sometimes looking for something for Dad. And all these they're wooden rings. And I thought, well, if nothing else, Dad won't laugh at them. Because dads can be assholes to their kids, you know, in the humor. But, yeah, and I thought, well, Mom can like them, or sis, a brother, whatever. But I paid $2.14, and I think there's like 30 in here. So, nothing lost, let's be honest. And if nothing else, I can turn them into earrings. I can turn them in, you know. So, we'll just see. I can turn them into napkin rings. So, there you go. You just got to be a little creative sometimes. Now, these were free. And I got one box for free. And I paid for the other one. And I opened the other one. And what it is it's a 30-pack of chapstick. So, even, you know, so you're paying, even if for the full box, if you're paying for it, you're paying 30 cents a piece. Well, I ended up getting 2 boxes for that price. So, I figured, you know, even if I sell them for 50 cents, hey, I'm still making a profit. These were $3.14. And what these are is just a bunch of little Jimmy bracelets. You know, just a bunch of little, and they are Jimmy because they're cold. So, I don't even know how many there are, but for $3, does it really matter? you know, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 here. And they're all different gems. And they are gems because they're cold. You know, they're at least dyed crystal, you know, clear crystal at least. They are, you know, so, which I would assume they're probably not real amethyst. They're not real rose quartz, you know, but we don't care. Because we're not saying, hey, we're going to heal your soul, buddy. Which, I don't know, that might be a power of suggestion also. You never know. So I got that. That's what I'm just getting just little odd things to go with my baked goods to just kind of make the difference. Oh, and I got these. These were $2.60. And these are just a whole bag of Rusty Stars. I mean, there's a whole bag. And I don't remember how many there were. I think there were like 25 in there or something. But that's another thing you can just add to anything. You make earrings out. You can pretty much do anything you want with it. So I thought, well, I'll just set that out there. You know, I'll look at it for a day or two and I'll say, I don't think I'm going to do this with it. That's what I tend to do. I just leave it on the counter till I figure it out. And then I got these, but I just wanted to see the thickness of them. And they're about the same as normal. And I got red because I was thinking, well, even if I don't use them at Christmas, I can use them for Valentine's Day. And I realized, and I paid $2 for them. And I realized you can get the same thing at Dollar Tree for $1.25. So I would pass on this there. But I know I'm going to get the use out of it, so I don't really care. And then I got these. I ended up with 2 sets of these. One was free and one was $5.63. And this is what they look like. And I thought, and it comes with the twine and stuff too. The jute, it's really jute. But I thought you could paint that and put the year on it. Or put Joy or whatever and then put the year on the back. You know, decorate it on the front and then put the year on the back. And I thought that would be a really quick and easy job. Sorry, that was my grandson. He was just calling, let me know what I was going on with his job and his kids and stuff. So now all of these are different. Some of them I actually got free. Some of them I paid for them because like I needed so many to make like a $20 order or whatever. I don't know what that is. This one says I paid $2.45 for it, and this one says 30 cents. So these are little donut things, and I thought I might make cake donuts. And this is a silicone cupcake holder. Now, I don't really like these for cupcakes, but they'll be alright for like muffins. I don't like them for cupcakes because if you put the paper in there, which it's fine if it's for your own family, but if you put the paper in there, it makes it smaller than a normal cupcake. So I do use them, but I use these for other things. You can use them for chocolate. You can, you know, that's what I use them for. And oh, I got this one. I don't even know. This is a round one, and I know this was free because I wouldn't have bought it, but it was free, so it's a round one. And I got one. This is one of the thinner cake pans. Now these I do use, but I always make sure I put them on a pan, you know, a big cookie sheet. And then this one, I got a set of 4. And I don't know how much I paid for these, but these are the thicker ones. And these you can put on the shelf by themselves in the thing. And they're fine. Now it says for an air fryer, but let's be honest. And you can use them for your air fryer too. But you can put them in the oven also as a bread pan. It says air fryer on them, but you can use them. And they're bread pans. Well, I made that cinnamon, what was it? Cinnamon bread? Oh, zucchini cinnamon bread is what it was. And I thought, well, I'll make that and I'll make some banana bread and I'll sell that. So, you know, now I have enough pans with these 5 here and then the ones I already have. I can make a bunch at once because I have a very big mixer. So that's what I have for the craft show. Oh, and then I forgot about these. These are the smaller ones. And I have these. This set of 4 that's smaller. And then 1. So I ended up with 5 of these. And these are just a smaller size bread pan, which you can do the same thing with. You can put and sell them for different prices, obviously. You know, and so there, you know, because some people just want just enough, like banana bread or whatever, just enough for, you know, lunch and maybe a little snack tonight or something. And that's what these are perfect for. This size is perfect for. So I got those. So I should have plenty of pans this year where I can just whip this out pretty quick. Because I usually spend like a whole week baking. And I do it in mass production. So with having more pans, I should be able to get it in a whole lot less time. You know, because it takes a long time to decorate sugar cookies. So if the more time I can free up to do it, the better off I am. And I'll go ahead and I'll put the video for my wagon, which is, it's actually supposed to be, you know, it's just a foldable wagon. You can use it for your kids. You can use it for your garden. But I thought it'd be great for me to help take the stuff in there. So I don't have to make so many trips back and forth. And then I'll show you the table. Now the table it's about the height of a coffee table. But I take my other stuff in it, some of my other stuff in totes. So I thought, well, if I set a tote at each end, it'll raise it up where I need it to be anyway. And I'll just set a tablecloth over top of it. And it'll be fine. So anyway, I'll put those here. Hey guys, I wanted to show you my $26.89 wagon I got off, foldable wagon I got off Temu. It couldn't be easier. I'm going to try to do it with one hand, but I don't know that I can. Okay, so all you do is push the center down, and you get this frame. This piece goes right in the bottom. Couldn't be easier. If you have kids, couldn't be easier. You fold it, you tuck it. See right here? You tuck it. You take this part. It's got Velcro. See, it's got Velcro. You just wrap it around. Hold on. Okay, you just wrap it around. Do the same here. And you have a portable wagon. This portable wagon holds 330 pounds. This is the medium size one. So I thought this would be good for craft shows, working in the yard. People with littles, it'd be a good gift item. And also, I forgot to show you this. But you can pull the handle up like this. And then you can lock it in place. So, I mean, great gift idea. And I thought I would just post it. Okay, guys, this is how she comes. And this is what it looks like folded out together. And if you'll notice, it's very, very sturdy. It's not bending. And it says it holds up, whoops, sorry. It says it holds up to 240 pounds. Is it the right height? No. Could I use it as my sides? Yes. And I could also use it down in front of the other tables. So yeah, it'll be a useful item. And like I said, my grandson got the job. I'm so excited. So anyway, like and subscribe. Do the YouTube stuff. Come on back. Bye.